Assalamu alaikum. So in the previous lectures we have discussed about the significance of diversity factor and load factor, and then we have seen how the diversity factor and load factor affects our cost per unit, and then we have concluded that higher the diversity factor and higher the load factor, lower will be the cost per unit. Here we'll be discussing the various types of tariffs, and on that we will be doing more numerical, as we have already discussed the six types of tariffs in the previous lecture. Here this lecture will be completely on a numerical based and how to calculate our tariff. So basic thing is to focus on the kilowatt, kVA, and your kilowatt hour calculation. If you know these calculation, you will be easily doing the questions. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first question. Here it says that there is a consumer has a maximum demand of 200 kilowatt at 40% load factor. If the tariff is 100 per kilowatt, rupees 100 per kilowatt of the maximum demand plus 10 paisa per kilowatt hour, then find the overall cost. Okay, find the overall cost per kilowatt. So I have discussed that your tariffs are dependent on some of the quantities like kilowatt hour, and kVA. So those are the constant in the previous lecture. If you don't know those thing, I have already discussed in that. Just see it and then come to this problem. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to understand. So here the tariff rate, it says it depends on two things. So it depends on your 100 kilowatt and of the maximum demand. Okay, so this kilowatt must be in, or must be of a maximum demand. So here the maximum demand is 200 kilowatt. Okay, so this the cost has two part. One is in kilowatt and the other is in kilowatt hour. Okay, so we need to calculate the overall cost per kilowatt hour. So this kilowatt hour is generally specified as unit also. Okay, electrical unit. This is the electrical unit. Okay, so we should know that if nothing is specified about the time interval, how much time we should take, so you should know that this calculation, the tariff is calculated annually. Okay, so annually, if nothing is given regarding the time, you have to calculate whether it is monthly, you have to calculate whether it is seasonally. Then you should understand by default it is annual calculation. Okay, so annual calculation means you have to take out the kilowatt hour, this hour annually. Okay, so annually you have 365 days and each day has 24 hours. So we will be looking forward to it, and then we will be saying how we can calculate. Okay, so first is the load factor. We know that the load factor is the ratio of average load and maximum load. So first we need to find out the average load, because this kilowatt hour is the average load. So we need to find out the kilowatt, we need to find out the average load in kilowatt, and then we need to convert it into kilowatt hour. Okay, so as you know that this load factor is the ratio of this. So the average load can be defined as the multiplication of your load factor and maximum load. Okay, so here this average load is this 0.4 is your load factor and 200 kilowatt is your maximum load. So you get an average load of 80 kilowatt. Okay, 80 kilowatt. Now we need to go for kilowatt hour. Okay, so we need to calculate the kilowatt hour. So we have to multiply the average load with the overall time period. Okay, so this is the unit consumed on yearly basis. Okay, so this is the average load is 80 kilowatt, and hours in year. Okay, so hours in year is 365 days, and each day has 24 hours. So you will get this almost 7 lakh 800 kilowatt hour. Okay, so this is the you can say that this is the unit consumed for year. Okay, next is your tariff calculation. So here the tariff has two part. One is your 100 rupees for kilowatt of the maximum demand plus 10 paise for the kilowatt. So as the annual charge has two constant, A into kilowatt, B into kilowatt hour. So A, this is the A part. Okay, so 100 rupees, and for what? 100 rupees per kilowatt of the maximum demand. So how much is the maximum demand? Of means multiplication, so 100 into 200. Okay, plus 10 paisa. 10 paisa means 10 upon 100. This is your conversion into rupees, and then the multiplied by your kilowatt hour. So this is the amount, this is the yearly amount, that is the cost. Okay, annual charge for consumption of this much amount of energy. Okay, so this is how we can calculate this, but the question is saying that the overall cost per kilowatt hour. So we are using this much kilowatt hour, and we are paying this much money. Okay, so we need to find out how much money we have to pay for 1 kilowatt hour. So for that, the overall cost is the 90 the amount of 90,080 rupees divided by the amount of kilowatt hour. So that will give you 12 paise per unit. Okay, so unit is kilowatt hour. So this is the amount of cost one has to pay for your electricity bill. Okay, now this is the next problem. Here the maximum demand of a consumer is 20 ampere at 220 volt, and his energy consumption is 8760 kilowatt hour. Okay, if the energy is charged at the rate of 20 paise per unit for 500 hour use of the maximum demand per annum, plus 10 paisa per unit for additional units, calculate the annual bill and the equivalent flat rate. So here the maximum demand is given in terms of current and voltage, but we know that maximum demand is always in kilowatt. So we need to find out the maximum demand first. Here nothing is related to your load factor. So so you can't say that the question is not talking about your average load. Okay, so and considering your tariff, if you see the tariff part, if you check out the tariff part, if the energy is charged at a rate of 20 paise per unit, so this unit is talking about kilowatt hour. Okay, this unit is kilowatt hour, and for how many of 500 hour of the maximum demand per annum. Okay, so this maximum demand will be in kilowatt hour. In the previous problem, the maximum demand was in kilowatt. Okay, so if you look around the different problems, the tariff, the way of charging an electricity is changed. In the previous problem, the maximum we are charging on two parameters. One is in kilowatt and other part was in the kilowatt hour. Here we are charging on both the part in kilowatt hour, but the different rates are, for 500 hours we are charging 20 paise per kilowatt hour, and after that it is 10 paise for additional units. Okay, so that is way you can see the difference between the previous and the this problem. Now here first we need to find out the maximum demand. Okay, because all the tariff is dependent on your maximum demand, it does not talk about your average demand. So if you check around, first we need to find out the maximum demand. So here for the maximum demand, the current is given, the voltage is given, but we know that for kilowatt it should be VI cos phi. So power factor must be there. As the power factor is not given, so we can directly take that power factor is 1. Okay, so the maximum demand can be written as V into I into power factor, that is 20 into 220 into 1, that is 4400 watt, and that is 4.4 kilowatt. Okay, so this is the maximum demand. Now we need to find out this how much money is, how much we are charging for 20 paise and how much we are using for 10 paise. Okay, so here the energy consumption, the total energy consumption is given as 8760. So just we need to convert this maximum demand into kilowatt hour. So it is already given as 500 hours. So first we need to calculate the amount of energy for 500 hours. So unit consumed at maximum load for 500 hours, that is 4.4 kilowatt into 500 hours, that is 2200 kilowatt hour. Okay, so this much amount of energy we have to charge for 20 paise. We have to charge for 20 paise, and after that, after the remaining energy we have to charge for 10 paise. Okay, so next is your cost for 500 hours. So cost for 500 hour is 20 paise. We need to convert this paise into rupees. So rupees 20 into 100 into 2200, and that will be giving you 440. Okay, next will be your the amount, the rest of the consumption. We need to calculate the rest of the, so total is your 8760 kilowatt hour is the total energy consumption. Out of that, 22,000 is charged for 20 paise. Now the rest is 6500. So remaining unit is 6560. This is the additional unit, and that should be charged for 10 paise. Okay, so that should be charged for 10 paise, and this was charged for 20 paise. So that's the question, that's the way tariff is calculated here. Okay, now here what is the cost of your remaining units is that 656. So the total cost, if you say the total cost will be the sum of these two. Okay, so these two sum, and that sum will be your total cost will be 1096. So this is the annual bill. Okay, so this is the annual bill, and you can say that this annual bill is very low, and it can be for a very small scale or very small house load. Okay, so this is the bill that has been generated annually. Now we need to find out, the second question is the equivalent flat rate. Okay, this is equivalent flat rate. In the previous problem we have talked about your cost per unit, and equivalent flat rate is also terming it's an other term of that overall cost per unit. Okay, so for that we have taken the total amount of money and total amount upon total amount of energy consumption. Okay, so here also overall cost kilowatt hour is also equal to equivalent flat rate, and that is your 1096 upon 8760 kilowatt hour, and that will be your around 12 paisa. Okay, 12 paisa 51 sorry it's somewhere wrong, it should not be a rupees. Okay, it's not be a rupees, so it's 12 paisa 12.51 paisa per unit. Okay, 5.1. So this is the other problems. So in the previous two problems, we have calculated our tariff based on your kilowatt and kilowatt hour. Here we will be calculating our tariff on your kVA. Okay, so kVA is the sum of your real power and is the vector sum of your real power and reactive power. So basically, if you can convert kVA, or if you know the conversion between kVA and your kilowatt in terms of power factor, you'll be able to do this problem. So as the problem suggests that we need to calculate the annual bill of a consumer whose maximum demand is 100 kilowatt and power factor is given 0.8 lagging, and the load factor is given 60%. The tariff used is 0.75 per kVA. So this is the PASA, 0.75 paisa per kVA, okay, for of the maximum demand, and plus 15 paisa per kilowatt hour consumed. So here if you check around some of the points that were missing in the previous problem, question number 2, that in the previous problem we have not mentioned your load factor. Okay, so this load factor is mentioned here. So you just, if the load factor is mentioned here, you should know that you need to calculate average load. Okay, so this tariff is based on two parts. One part depends on your kVA of the maximum demand, okay, and the other part depends on your kilowatt hour, and this kilowatt hour is not the maximum demand, it is the average load. So you need to calculate first the average load. So as the problem says that your maximum demand is 100 kilowatt and your load factor is 0.60%. So if we know that the load factor is the ratio of average upon your maximum demand, so average load can be calculated as 100 into 0.6, that is your 60 kilowatt. Now next is your, we need to convert this kilowatt into kilowatt hour. So we are calculating the bill at annually. Okay, so we need to convert it into your unit consumed in yearly basis. So this is the unit consumed in yearly basis. As you can see here, 8760 hours. So this is your multiplication of your 365 days, okay, and multiplied by 24 hours. So that will give you 8760 hours. So your total kilowatt hour or total unit consumed for year is, your energy consumed for year is 525,600, okay, kilowatt hour. Now so this kilowatt hour is your 50 is rated, is we have to pay this money in terms of 15 paisa per kilowatt hour, but the other part is your kVA of the maximum demand. So this maximum demand, this kilowatt can be expressed as, if you want to convert this kilowatt into kVA, so kilowatt is equal to kVA into power factor. Okay, so kVA into power factor, if you say that, so kVA is equal to kilowatt upon power factor. So the maximum demand is given as 100 kilowatt, and if you divide it with the power factor, you will get your maximum demand in kVA. So this maximum demand was in kilowatt, now the maximum demand is converted into kVA. Okay, so the annual bill, you can say that 75 paise converted into money, rupees 75 upon 100 into 125. Okay, so this is the kVA, we are using kVA here, and then 15 15 upon 100 into the amount of kilowatt hour. So that total sum will be 78,933. This is the annual bill. Okay, this is the annual bill. So these are the three types of the problems that are generally asked. I'll be sharing some PDF files and some problems with you, so that you can get addicted with it. Okay. Okay, thank you.